Max, what do you want? What do you want? What? Huh? You greedy? You like to eat? You fat? You a good cat? You stretching? Hey, Max. Max. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Hey. Max. You ignore me? Greedy. Fat cat. Hi. Say hey yo. Hey yo. Max. Fat boy. Fat boy. Fat boy. Chunky butt. Chicky bookie chicka butt. Chicky bookie chicka. Hey. Give me a kiss. Give me kisses. Fat boy. You gonna just ignore me like that? I'm about to lock you up in jail. Come on, time to go to jail. Come on. Say hi. Hey, you. Hey, you. Not paying me no attention. Crazy cats. Hey, Max. You gonna talk to me? You gonna ignore me? Let me have some food. Let me have some. I want some. Mmm. Yummy. What you doing? You want your food? You want your food back? Max, talk to me. You want your food back? You gonna be good? Max, you love me? Yeah? You gonna be a good cat? Say yes. Say your prayers. Max, say your prayers. So you can eat your food. Say your prayers. You gotta say your prayers before you eat. Or you just finding food on the floor eating it? Hey, say prayers. I'll give you your food back. You're not gonna say your prayers? I love you too. Look at you. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? You gonna lay on me until I give it to you? No, don't jump up. Trying to take it out my hand. Oh, here, baby. Here, baby. He was just gonna take it out my hand. Don't play about his food, fat boy. Fat boy. I'm in your way. You gonna push my foot over? I'm in your way. He's funny. Funny, funny cat. Silly cat. Give me kisses. Eating like you ain't ever ate before. Give me kisses, Max. Kisses. I'm waiting. Hungry cat. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. No? You good? Crunchy? Bye, Max. Bye. Max. Max. You're not gonna talk? You're not gonna say hi?